Hello everybody, this is Val with
This is how we do it.
Hello my people, this is Val with This Is How You Do It. I got some hamburger meat and some blended onions and peppers already chopped up, the great value kind from Walmart. Put some in there, and then I'm going to put the elbow macaroni on boil. You know, put a little oil and salt in the water and let it boil until the noodles are tender. Mix it all together with some ragu sauce and some taco seasoning. You know, give it a little spice, a little sugar, and then just mix all that together and come up with the goulash. Oh, this is the time to season your meat also with all the seasoning that you may want to put in it. That's up to you. Season according to your taste. The noodles are ready, and the meat has all cooked. And I have some mushrooms to the side. I cooked them all in the same pan, but I stirred this separately over here and this over here because I like mushrooms and Willie don't. So when I put this in the noodles and put the sauce on it, this right here is going to be on the side just for me to put on my plate when I'm ready for them. And all I did was mix everything together like I told you. And I did put a scoop of sugar in this too for flavor. And this is the end result, y'all. Like I said, that's mine to put in my plate. Y'all remember your mom cooking this? Or your grandma? And this is Val, but this is how you do it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and everything button. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye now.